Want to make money while you sleep or enjoy life? Passive income is the key. It's not about working harder. It's about setting up systems that keep earning for you, even when you're not actively working. In this video, I'll share 10 smart passive income ideas to help you start earning today. Let's dive in. Create and sell WordPress themes or plugins. Got a knack for tech or coding? Build a WordPress theme or plugin or hire someone to do it. Once uploaded to marketplaces like ThemeForest, you can earn income whenever someone buys your product. Promote Bluehost as an affiliate. Affiliate marketing is huge. By reviewing and promoting Bluehost hosting services on YouTube or blogs, you can earn a commission every time someone signs up through your link. It's simple and effective. Sell online courses. Are you skilled in woodworking, cooking, or any hobby? Create an online course. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to share your knowledge and earn every time. Design business templates, PowerPoints, business plans, or documents, and sell them online. These resources can generate passive income for years on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. Build an educational forum with premium content. Start an educational forum in a niche you're passionate about. Once you build traffic, offer premium content or memberships for recurring income. Start blogging. Blogging is a classic way to earn passive income. Dedicate a few hours a week to writing quality content. Optimize it for search engines and monetize with ads or affiliate links. Create software. Have a game-changing idea? Develop software that solves a specific problem. Whether it's a productivity tool or niche app, you can earn lifetime income from sales or subscriptions. Invest in monthly income schemes. Got some savings? Invest in monthly income schemes. While it requires upfront capital, it provides steady returns of 6 to 8%, perfect for retirement or long-term passive income. Sell graphic bundles. If you're good at design, create graphic bundles for a specific niche. These can be logos, icons, or templates that freelancers and businesses will pay for. Develop a mobile app. Apps are a goldmine. Build a useful or entertaining app for iOS or Android and monetize it with ads or in-app purchases for steady income over time. Passive income is about working smarter and setting yourself up for financial freedom. Which idea will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart money tips. See you in the next video.